Hey Tech Buddy! Today we're checking out the Redmi Turbo 5 Max, and trust me, this one is interesting. This is going to be one of the most powerful phones of 2026.
Before we start the video, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to the channel.
The Redmi Turbo 5 Max comes with a premium aluminum frame, glass front and glass back. It feels good and comfortable in hand. The phone is just 8.2 millimeters thin, and the phone weighs is 219 grams. For protection, you get IP68 and IP69K rating. That means dust and water resistance.
Now let's talk about the display. You get a 6.3-inch AMOLED display, and it supports a 120 Hz refresh rate for smooth scrolling, and up to 3500 nits peak brightness and 1280 by 2772 pixels resolution, so visuals are sharp and detailed.
The Redmi Turbo 5 Max is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 9500S, built on advanced 3nm technology. Gaming, multitasking, editing, it should handle everything easily. On the software side, it runs Android 16 with HyperOS 3.
So you get the latest features, smooth animations, and optimized performance.
Now, coming to the memory options, you get 12 GB RAM with 256 GB and 512 GB storage. And if you want more power, you can go for 16 GB RAM with 256 GB and 512 GB storage. So in terms of memory, this phone is ready for heavy users and long-term performance.
Now let's move to the cameras. On the back, you get a 50-megapixel main camera with f1.5 aperture and OIS. You also get an 8-megapixel ultra-wide camera with f2.2 aperture, perfect for group photos, landscape shots. On the front, there is a 20-megapixel selfie camera with f2.2 aperture. It supports 1080p video at 30 and 60 FPS, so content creators and vloggers will be satisfied. And now, coming to the biggest highlight, the Redmi Turbo 5 Max packs a massive 9,000 mAh battery, combined with 100-watt fast charging and 27-watt reverse wireless charging. This is true powerhouse performance.
That's it for today's breakdown. If you enjoyed the video, hit like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.